Okay, all right, welcome to another forex session. Now, we'll be looking at vertical support and resistance, which we call the trend line. Okay, we're going to look at how to effectively draw our vertical support and resistance, which is the trend line. Now, it is very, very important that you draw your trend line. Very important. I told us that the first thing we should do is to identify the trend, which is very easy. The market should be trending down, forming lower high and lower low. Okay, just look at the chart, find out that the market is coming down, so it's a bearish market. Okay, then you look for where the market reacted from to draw your support and resistance. Then you draw your trend line. Now, drawing your trend line is also very easy. You also look at where the market reacted from, but this time in a vertical level. Now, if you check this, the market reacted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The more, the better. Okay, so this is your vertical resistance because it's at the top. Okay, now some persons might put it here. Okay, which is not wrong, but I think it is better to put it here. Now, one of the rules is that let it be at the highest level. Now, this is the highest level, so this is very accurate for your trend line, your upper trend line, which is your vertical resistance. Now, let's get the support. Okay, now if you put it like this, it is not correct because only 2 is reacting from just only 2. The more the reaction to that line, the better. So you look for where it reacted more. Yeah, I told us that we should look at the highest level or the lowest level to draw it. But in this case, this is much accurate. Now, this look like a fake breakout, a fake out. I think the market just, did a fake out, cost liquidity so that the market can move. Okay, but we're not talking about liquidity in this lecture. Okay, so this is the most accurate area. Why? Because, like I told us, the more the better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the market reacted from this particular place severally. So that is how you draw your vertical support and resistance. Now, if you go to a smaller time frame, you see it clearer. So you can see. Okay, now you see how the market reacted from it accurately. Okay, now this is how you draw your vertical support and resistance. So now, if you have gotten that out of the way, you know how to draw your support and resistance horizontally and vertically, which is the trend line. If you can draw this accurately, now you are now ready to start taking a trade, because we'll be taking trade based on the reaction of price from these levels, the reaction of price from this level. Okay, all right, that is it for our trend lines, that is vertical support and resistance. Now, in the next lecture, we'll look at how to actually trigger trade, or what we should watch out for before we trigger a trade in a bearish market. All right, see you in the next lecture. Happy trading.